My name is Torvald Mårtensson. I work with testing and test environments for the Gripen fighter aircraft. Testing of a large-scale and complex system span from automated testing of a software module to exploratory testing of the complete system. Despite this, many books and publications describe the idea of a perfect all-round tester. My talk will describe how we test the Gripen fighter aircraft and show how we all need complementary profiles for the engineers working with testing, with different knowledge, skills and personality traits. So, stop looking for the perfect all-round tester.